Here I am going to show you how easy you can find your right ring size. What we need is only a piece of paper, ruler, pencil, scissors, and a ring size chart that you can find it in my website. Now I'm going to show you how to do it. It's very easy. We need to cut the paper around 5 to 10 millimeters. Make a stripe. Then we are going to wrap it around our finger. It shouldn't be too tight, it shouldn't be too loose. And then where two ends meet, we make a sign with our pencil like this. And then we are going to see the size, and it shows that it's around 57. Now we come to the size chart and find the 57 here. 57 means 8 in US, and we have the right size for the finger. That's all. Now I have my right size, which is 57 or 8 in US size, and this is a ring in 57, and as you see, it's very comfortable, it's not too tight, it's not too loose, and yes. It's very simple to apply. Go and do it right now. See you soon. So much love. Today I have as you didn't know what is your right size. Hello, welcome to Maral Jewelry Lab.